Hey guys, Jeremy here, back with another unboxing. This one is a big one, as you can see. Before I get into what it is, or any of the specs, let's open this box right up. So, alright, here it is. Right there. Brushless motor. It's got a gyro in it. XK A1200 standard. Look at this. A1200-A 5.8 GHz FPV. That's the one I have right here. So it has a 7-channel transmitter. By the way, this is ready to fly. So it has everything you need. This one comes with FPV, so it has all the FPV equipment, so you can get started right away. 3-axis gyro and 6-axis gyro. Alright. So it's packed. Wow, it's packed really nicely. Alright. Okay. First thing right here is the directions. Chinese and English. We got directions for the FPV setup here. Alright, this layout is really nice here. Really compact, although still easy to get to. Alright, let's get right into this. We've got a charger for the battery. It's a 2S LiPo charger. We got the battery here, 7.4 volt, 2000 milliamp hour. Alright, let's see this. Here's the wing spar, it's carbon fiber. Let's get this body out now. These out of the way. Let's see if I can just see these little stoppers that hold it in, and then I think we can just pull it right out. Alright, here is the body. As you can see, it's the FPV version, so it has the camera and the antenna right here. It's a pusher, as you can see, with a powerful brushless motor. Let's put this aside. This is the rudder. Right here we have a bag of spare parts. Right here we got the horizontal stabilizer and the elevator. Now let's get into the wings. These come off and pull the wings out. Nice. This is really nice. Now let's get into a really nice feature on this. Look at here. See that? The little plug right there? The wings just plug right into the fuselage, so there's no wires, nothing hanging out. You just plug it in, and that's it. The servo connects and everything. So, both wings here, and here we have the transmitter. Now this is this is a decent quality transmitter. I mean, I'm serious. It's got a backlit LCD screen. Wow, these gimbals feel really good. It's got trim. It's got 4 switches. They're all 2 position. And it's got a button here. And then it has the menu, a skull thing right there, and 2 buttons. This is the display for the FPV, which is really nice. As I said before, it's ready to fly, so it comes with everything you need. So we got the display and the antenna, screws on the top here, and it comes with the built-in sunshade that just flips up like this. Just like that, as you can see. We'll get more into this later. Alright, so we got all the parts laid out here. That's everything that comes with this plane. This video is just going to be the unboxing. My next video is going to be the assembly, and then the video after that is the review and test flight. I'm not going to be going over all the features in this video. It'll just make it too long. So, that's it today. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for my coming videos on this. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit it with a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well. Alright, see you next time. Happy flying, and have a great day. Bye.